Hi, I'm Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make Indian butter chicken. The ingredients that you will need are chicken, cashew, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, chopped onion, butter, garam masala, coconut milk, turmeric, paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, coriander, and tomato sauce. The first step that you'll do is marinate the chicken with the spices. The ingredients are listed below the description of this video. In a large pan under medium heat, add a tablespoon of butter. Then add the teaspoon garlic. Mix until light brown. Then you'll add the chopped onions. The cashews, a teaspoon of ginger, tomato sauce, then mix all the ingredients. Let this simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes until the cashews are soft. Put it in a small bowl and we'll cool this and set it aside before we put it in the blender. Using the same pan under medium heat, add the butter and the chicken. Mix thoroughly and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Then add the coconut milk and let this cook for 5 to 10 minutes and turn off the stove afterwards. Now we will start to blend the tomato and cashew paste. Once we're done blending, put it back to the same bowl. Then we'll add it to the remaining ingredients. Then mix all the way until all the ingredients are well incorporated and let this simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. And here's the final results. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified for my next video. Have a great day!